How are you, sir? Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. This is my reaction video that I watched earlier, sir. The documentary I watched entitled Sa Mata ng Bata that Cara David was the host. And the documentary I watched was about children who became aware of the early reality of the world. The mind was opened early to bad activities, into early work or child labor, and children who do not have the right to properly use the stage of childhood in leisure and even to have the ability to study. And it has three different story. The first featured one is Girl Ekang from Pasay. And the second one is Jonel from Camarines Norte. And the last one are the children named Charlie and Adrian. First one, Ekang, is from Pasay. At an early age, he became aware of his parents' vice, and it was not hidden from his knowledge that his parents were one of those who had a strange job that they are drug pusher and a hostess. And from Ekang, hindi po lingid sa kanyang kalaman na masama po ang gawain ng kanyang mga magulang. Subalit, sa pangangaral ni Cara David, she says, nothing has changed in his yesterday, but the path of today may change. As a sermon to Ekang, he advised that the past will also pass, but prepare for the future. Ekang said, that's how my parents were. That's why I will try to finish my studies without repeating my parents' past. And the second one boy is Junel from Camarines Norte, that he became aware of working early because of the hardships of life. He was forced to stop studying. In the hardships of life, he combined working and studying. But not long after entering school, Jonel stopped high school, and that's the one who bring him to make a job in early age. And Charlie and Adrian, to support their studies, they both work in the forest and collect honey. With the effort of in Charlie's life, he was able to finish school, while Adrian was able to finish his high school. And as an reflection, in Cara David's documentary that I watched, I learned a lesson. It is the effort and perseverance to overcome any challenge in life. Suffering a short-lived to a person who works hard, and if the effort is continued, in the end it will shine. Turn your wounds into wisdom, and the harder the struggle, the more glorious the triumph. Sometimes growth is in the discomfort, so that embrace the discomfort of life. And as I end, understanding this theories helped me see that the characters in the documentary are just like me, dealing with their own stuff and trying to do what's right. It shows me that caring about others and helping them out can make a big difference. Thank you, sir.